Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to free up some disk space on your hard drive or hard disk by compressing a drive. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in computer. On Windows 7 and Windows 8 devices, there should be a best match. It should just say computer. On Windows 10, it should say this PC. You want to left click on that. Now underneath devices and drives, if your view looks like this, you want to just left click right there next to it to expand so you can see all your drives in here. Let's say this new volume K is the one I want to compress. So I'm just going to right click on it, and now I'm going to left click on properties at the bottom of that context menu. And now where it says compress this drive to save disk space, I'm going to check mark inside of here, and then I'm going to left click on apply. And you also want to more than likely select apply changes to drive K, subfolders, and files. Left click on OK, and then left click on OK one more time. I would recommend you guys restart your computer as well at this point, just to make sure that it takes effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.